Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, we are going to learn how to migrate or listing product or import and export product from your WooCommerce website to another website. So, if you have started your online business with WordPress and WooCommerce and you wanted to migrate the product from your existing site to another new website or another website, then this tutorial will be helpful for you. So let's get started. Here you can see that I'm right now one of my website, and if I go to the all product, then just wait a little bit time, then you can see that there are 2373 product, and this is very large amount of product or large number of product, you see. And this is WooCommerce based e-commerce website, and I want to migrate product. That's mean I want to export product from this website to another website. The reason is that I want to build a video playlist how to make a e-commerce website step by step. So that's why I want to migrate the product in this website or export product in this website from here. Okay, to do this, first of all we are going to learn how to export all the product. So to export all the product, just click on the export, and you will find this option when you click on the product, and now you can click generate. Okay, now click on the save, and then it has been done. We have now the export file in the CSV format. Okay, so that's mean we are ready to export, import product, all the product from this website to here. But if you want to import it or migration in here, then we must have to add WooCommerce plugin. So I'm going to add WooCommerce plugin. Just click on search on WooCommerce, and install it. Then click on the activate, and now we can import the product. So import the product, we have to click on the product, click all product, okay. As we have just installed the WooCommerce plugin and we want to migrate product or import product from another website, from here we already download this CSV file. So we have to click on here. Are you already selling somewhere else? Import your product from a CSV file. So click on it. Then we can easily choose the file. Here is the file. Select and click on the continue. So if we click on the continue, then all the product will be imported in the new website. But in this tutorials I want to share more details about product import or product export, that's called product migration or listing from another website to any website. Okay, from from your website to any other website. Okay, to do this we are going to go back on the previous website from where we want to export product. So you see right now we are on the product section and click on the export, and now we can select any specific product, any specific category, also lots of things. So first of all we are going to select which column should be exported. We want all columns, so we are not going to select anything in here because we want all column. Then which product type should be exported. There are simple, group, external, variable, product variant. We don't want to select anyone in here, but if we want we can select. If you want to export any specific type of product, then you can select from here. Then which product category should we export. Here I'm going to work. I want to export computer accessories product and export custom meta. Yes, then click on the generate CSV. Download it. Now I'm going to my new website in where I want to import all this product only from a specific category. Okay, to do this click on the product. You must have to install WooCommerce. Now click on here, then click on here. Are you already selling somewhere else? Select the product CSV file, select this one, the latest one, then click on the continue. So we have to wait a little bit time. Okay, just directly click on the run the importer. Now the product importing has been installed. So as there are a lots of product, we have to wait a little bit time to complete this process. Okay, import complete. 229 product imported with 21 variant imported. File uploaded. This is the file name. Click on the view product. Wow, here you can see I have added all the product. You see lots of product in here, and here is the category computer accessories, and here is the all the subcategories. And if we go to the home page, or not home page, if we go to the visit store, then you can see here is the product. You see here is all the product. Click on the view. Wow, looks good. So I hope you understand how to export and import product from one WordPress website to another WordPress website, that while with WooCommerce plugin, and how to export specific categories product, or how to filter the product categories product listing process advanced way from the WordPress product export section, and also how to import it on any WordPress website. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant WordPress, Shopify or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.